Today I'm going to show you how to take apart the head on your Zortrax M200, and you might want to do this if you've got a slight blockage or if you notice the motor struggling slightly. It'll make a ticking sound and you might notice some under extrusion in your prints, but it's really easy to gain access, and I'll show you how to clean it out and put it back together. So the first thing we need to do is remove the filament that's in there. And you might need to give it a slight tug if it has been blocked, but we'll just go through the menu and eject the filament. Okay, so to gain access we need to unscrew these 4 screws here and the 2 either side just here. And you'll need an Allen key to do this. Just undo them. 2 side ones are quite short, so just be careful they don't fall out. Okay, so and that loosens the top section here. And now if we undo the 4 on the front, just be sure to leave this one here tightened up, as this holds a bearing on the reverse of this panel, and you want that to stay in place. So once all the screws are removed, just gently pull on the motor and the rest of the head and just bring that over to one side. And you might notice a build-up of dust on the gear. If you take a small paintbrush or small brush, you can just clean those off like this. It's probably worth doing this every now and then anyway, just to ensure that you don't get any blockages mid-print. And keep that nice and clean. If you have experienced a blockage, it's likely to have occurred inside this part, and there's a small hole just here that the filament feeds through, and if there's a tiny little bit of debris, a small little bit of filament maybe, that gets caught in there, you'll struggle to get the filament in, and this can cause under extrusion. So it's worth cleaning this out as well. Just remove any of the small bits of filament. And if there is anything caught in that hole, you might need some tweezers just to pull it out. But now that should be fine, and we can reassemble the print head ready to print. I'll just put the screws back in. Okay, so now your printer should be back up and running and ready to print again. You just need to reload your filament. If you are still experiencing any sort of under extrusion or what you might think is a blockage, it'd be worth checking the nozzle, and you can also try extruding and loading filament without the nozzle attached, and this will tell you if your nozzle needs replacing.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe.
Also, come follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.
You can find out more about our products and services by visiting dream3d.co.uk.